So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for data analytics with Python. Week 3rd, assignment 3rd. So the first question is, let a population have mean mu is equal to 50 and variance is equal to 100 for samples of size n is equal to 25. The variance of the sampling distribution of the mean is, so these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C, 4.0. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which statement about central limit theorem is false? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B, it requires normal population. And now let's go to our question number 3. If p is equal to 0.6 and n is equal to 150, what is the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of p? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is A, 0.04. And now let's go to our question number 4. A sample of size 36 has mean 80 and population standard deviation 12. The margin of error for a 95% CI is, so these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is 3.92. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which estimator is unbiased? So these are the option, and the answer for our fifth question is D, sample variance. And now let's go to our question number 6. The width of a confidence interval for the population mean will decrease when, so these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, sample size increases. And now let's go to our question number 7. A 95% CI for a mean is 46.5, 51.5. Which statement is correct? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is C. The CI is constructed so that 95% of such interval contain mu. And now let's go to our question number 8. When sigma square is unknown and sample size is small, the appropriate distribution for CI estimation of mu is, so these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is D, T distribution. And now let's go to our question number 9. A variable is normally distributed with mean mu is equal to 50, standard deviation is equal to 10. What is the Z score for a value of 65? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B, 1.5. And now let's go to our question number 10. A sample of size 16 is drawn from a normal population. The key square statistic for variance estimation has degrees of freedom equal to, so these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is A. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.